Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies easy. First, in a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. Be careful not to overmix at this stage. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Finally, stir in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now it's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before transferring them. After the initial cooling, transfer your warm, chewy oatmeal cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set up properly and prevents them from becoming soggy. Once fully cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. These easy-to-make cookies are perfect for a treat or sharing with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.